Welcome, geometry students, to class today on this Tuesday the 6th. Hope you guys had a great Christmas break. Hope you're rested and ready to work the second semester. I know that we had a great Christmas break, and I hope you guys are doing well and ready to get started. Here's what we're going to do for the week. I am no longer going to type that for you. I'm just going to read it to you from now on. So, for those who like to know what we're doing for the week, you're welcome to jot this down. Today, we're going to have notes and homework. Tomorrow, Wednesday, we're going to have notes only because it's a Wednesday, a really long lesson tomorrow. Thursday, we're going to have homework only. And Friday, we're going to have homework and notes and a quiz on Friday also. Okay? So for those that like to write it down so you know what we're doing for the week, I will say that one more time. Today, we're going to have notes and homework. Tomorrow on Wednesday, we're going to have notes only. On Thursday, we're going to have homework only. And on Friday, we're going to have notes and homework and a quiz. Okay? So here we go. There will be a quiz on Friday. Make note of that. You have nothing to turn in, obviously. Those in Miss Walker's class, I don't think there's anything in the black folder for you to collect. You can check and see, but I don't think there is. Incompletes, there are none. If you miss a day of class, it is your job to go to teachum.com/geometrytrack1 and watch the video. If you come into class and we're having a test or a quiz, you will take the test or quiz, okay? So if you miss a day, please watch the video. The video today is 14 minutes and 41 seconds long, so it is a pretty short video, okay? We are starting a chapter that's not too difficult. It's about transformations, okay? Hopefully you guys will do well on this. Transformations means looking at items or figures that have been moved around, turned, twisted, reflected, shifted, stuff like that, okay? So you are going to hopefully get your homework done in class. Please work hard. Please do not disturb class, okay? Make sure that you're working hard. And there will be times, by the way, you'll have to pause the video and take notes, so it'll be a little longer than 14 minutes. The homework is this, so go ahead and copy this down, please. Here's your homework for tonight. Please copy this down. Okay, moving on. The instructional video for today is rigid motion. So please make note of that. Rigid motion. The homework help video is Geometry Track 1, January 6th homework. Okay, so if you struggle with your homework, here it is. Geometry Track 1, January 6th homework. Okay. Now, here's some pretty cool announcements for those that have an A average, okay? You juniors who had me as a teacher in 8th grade remember how I did not make those with an A average turn homework in. Remember that? So let's go over the rules, okay? If you had an A average for the semester, and it's your job to look on Sycamore and see who you are, okay? For those that had an A average for the semester, not the 9 weeks, the semester, you do not have to turn homework in, okay? Now let me explain how that works. If we are working on homework in class, and Miss Frampton makes sure they do this, you have to work on homework during class. There's no way you're going to sit and do nothing, okay? However, when you go home at night, if you did not finish the homework in class, you do not have to finish it and turn it in if you have an A average. However, before you get too excited, listen to me carefully. If you're a wise, smart student, you will still go through the homework and work on the problems that you don't know how to do. So really, this privilege is allowing you to skip the problems that you know how to do and work on the ones that you don't know how to do, because I'm telling you, if you do not work on the ones that you don't know how to do, you will lose your A average very quickly, okay? But again, if you have an A average for the semester, you no longer have to turn homework in until we reevaluate that, okay? And I will tell you when that's going to be in a second. Number 2, if there's class time that we're working on homework, everyone has to work on homework until the bell rings or until you're done, period. And if I find out you're not, Miss Frampton, you just let me know who it is, and I will take that privilege away from them. Lastly, we're going to reevaluate this after the first test. So, those that have an A average for the semester, the first test, okay? So, this privilege will last until we take our first test, okay? Hope that makes sense. If you have any questions at all, call or email. Lastly, let's talk about students who want to switch to track 2. I know one of you has contacted me about this. I don't want anyone to switch to track 2. However, if you want to, please listen carefully to these specific instructions. Number 1, understand you cannot be an honor society if you're in a track 2 class. You need to know that. Number 2, if you're going to switch, I need you in track 2 tomorrow. So you better go home tonight with the proper drop ad form from the office. You have to sign it, I believe. Your parents have to sign it, and Mr. Harmon, and I want you in that class tomorrow because they're starting a new chapter today. Okay? Now you're already missing today's notes, which is okay. It's fine. It is a much easier class. But, it's up to you. You're getting a better education in this class, even if you're pulling a C average or whatever, okay? But if you have any questions, call me or email me, okay? But if you're going to switch, I want it done tomorrow. Okay, guys? No, that's how it needs to be. Alright, let's move on. Have a great day, guys. Contact me if you have any questions. Again, I hope you had a wonderful break. Work hard today in class. Take great notes. Don't goof off. One more semester to go, and we're finally finished, okay? So work hard and finish well. Contact me if you have